introducing today my family banana bread. I know all of you have many versions of banana bread, but I promise you that this one is gonna top them all. Follow me and discover the secret ingredient that I put in my banana bread to elevate it to another level. I aligned here the ingredients we're gonna be using. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon and a half baking powder, plus teaspoon and a half of baking soda. I will be adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter, equivalent to 4 ounces, room temperature butter, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of dark chopped chocolate or chocolate chip, and 1 cup of coarsely cut walnuts, teaspoon and a half to 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and the secret ingredient I'm gonna be revealing while I'm making the bread. Of course, as you see, I have 3 giant bananas. So this banana is like really about 20 inches long. So you will need 6 normal bananas or 3 giant bananas like these. Let's get going. First, I'm gonna be peeling the bananas. They shouldn't be too ripe the way normally we call for a banana bread. I like it a little bit less ripe, so the bananas are not too pungent, too harsh. I will be mashing. When I achieve smooth mashed bananas, I will be adding half juiced lemon into it. And that will keep the bananas from turning brown. And just mix it around. Now into the mixer, I will put the normal beater. I will add the butter and sugar. And we'll start it to soften things together and get them mixed. As soon as the butter and sugar gets mixed together, I will be adding the eggs. And mix again until everything is smooth. When things are smooth over here, I will add the mashed bananas and the vanilla and my secret family ingredient. Wait to see what it is. I will add about 2 teaspoons vanilla, and the family ingredient is marmalade, orange marmalade, civil orange marmalade, which has a little bit tang and bitterness into it. So I will be adding about 2 heaping tablespoons into the banana mixture. Mix it together. And that will add that enough flavor that I am seeking out of this banana orange dark chocolate bread. I will pour this into the butter egg mixture. Make sure you get all the banana and orange out. Now mix again until it is all incorporated. So it's all incorporated in there. I will be adding the flour, the baking powder and baking soda, and a touch of salt. Mix. As soon as they come together, stop the mixer and add the walnuts and chocolate chip. Don't overbeat the flour, because that's when you overbeat the flour, the gluten is going to be activated and it becomes chewier rather than more tender texture at the end. So I just tend to mix until incorporating ingredients but not over mixing. And the batter is ready. Let me show you. Bread. I will pour this into the butter egg mixture. Make sure you get all the banana and orange out. Now mix again until it is all incorporated. So it's all incorporated in there. I will be adding the flour, the baking powder and baking soda, and a touch of salt. Mix. As soon as they come together, stop the mixer and add the walnuts and chocolate chip. Don't overbeat the flour, because that's when you overbeat the flour, the gluten is going to be activated and it becomes chewier rather than more tender texture at the end. So I just tend to mix until incorporating ingredients but not over mixing. And the batter is ready. Let me show you. At this point, I lined a muffin pan with paper cups, and I will be filling each one until about 2/3 full. And this I will pop into a pre-heated oven at 350 degrees. I have filled the muffins and now they are ready to pop into a preheated oven until they are golden and dry. When you stick in it, a toothpick comes out dry. Now we are 22 minutes later, and the muffins or the breads have gotten into the golden state. I poked it and it came out dry, and now it's the testing time. They're still piping hot. They are smelling absolutely heavenly. And I like them hot because the chocolate chip, they will be kind of gooey and delicious. I'll come closer to the camera so you can see. This is the inside, and it's yummy. Very, very, very yummy. I love them. The thing is, it makes me feel good to eat the banana breads because they are not only delicious but also nutritious. Enjoy them and take advantage of me revealing the secret ingredient in them that makes them top-notch banana bread.